Good morning, YouTubers. I'm about to do some cucumber juice with ginger, lemon, apple, and cucumber. And you can see lots of ginger. I cut up some already. Lots of ginger, right? Lots of cucumber. I cut up some also. Big lemon, right? I have the apple them, right? I'm gonna do it. Cut up and do some cucumber juice, organic juice. Okay, so you can see I'm cutting up the apple now, right? So this is the way Aunty Clair do her thing, our juice. So I would like you to like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, drink up this juice, natural organic juice. So please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below and get your cup also ready because this juice is coming up. Delicious drink. It named delicious cucumber drink. Ginger, lemon, everything that's natural for your body. Your body. In this winter, you need it. You need it to just drink it. We are up in age, we have to drink this juice. So just like it's for young, old, and everyone. Like it, share it, and subscribe it. Right? And big up yourself. Comment down below. Tell a friend to tell them like up Aunty Clair juice. Okay? Lots of ginger good for your body. Keep away from cold, the flu. Keep away from it. So like it up. That's what I drink. Keep you healthy. Clean up stomach, everything. Okay? So just comments. Tell Aunty Clair what you like. Comments down below. Let the video go up. Okay? Tell them. Tell them. I want you to like it and share it. So, I have some more video coming up soon. You're gonna see it. So just like it. You know? Love it up. This is the way I do my juice. Look at it. Cucumber, good for your body. Cucumber, good and healthy. Good and healthy. I just eat some with some scrambled egg. Just eating some scrambled egg. So delicious. So delicious. You have to like this and share it. Share it. Share it. Share it. Share it. Share it. When you do that, you have it natural. I have it natural. Yeah. So natural. Yeah. Natural juice. Natural cucumber juice. But no one don't do it. I cure myself. I cure myself by the God gift drink. This is God gift drink. Okay? So just come and like it up. Please, health and strength. God bless you. So like up the channel. Give a comment down below. Don't forget, touch the notice button. And comment. Keep on comment. Don't stop comment. Because I want you to like this channel. Aunty Clair way of doing our juice. Organic juice. Organic juice. Look a bit more down below. You see what I do. Hey. Auntie. Amar. stop it for me. That's enough.